Welcome to EiwayShop. Today we're going to share 5 quick and easy DIY beauty hacks that will revolutionize your beauty routine. These hacks are not only simple and affordable, but also incredibly effective. Whether you're looking to save time, money, or just love getting creative with your beauty regimen, these tips are for you. Let's dive in and explore these amazing beauty hacks that you can try right at home. Hack number 1, coconut oil hair mask. Coconut oil is a fantastic natural ingredient for your hair. It's rich in fatty acids and vitamins that nourish and strengthen your hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and manageable. Here's how you can create a simple coconut oil hair mask at home. Start by taking a few tablespoons of organic coconut oil. If it's solid, warm it up until it melts. Once the oil is in liquid form, apply it generously to your hair, focusing on the ends where the most damage usually occurs. Massage it into your scalp as well to promote blood circulation and stimulate hair growth. After applying the coconut oil, cover your hair with a shower cap or a towel. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes, or if you have more time, overnight for deeper conditioning. Rinse it out thoroughly with shampoo and enjoy your soft, hydrated hair. One of the best-kept secrets in the beauty world is using coconut oil as a makeup remover also. It's natural, gentle, and highly effective at removing even the most stubborn makeup. Coconut oil is not only a great makeup remover, but also hydrates your skin, leaving it soft and moisturized. Plus, it's free from harsh chemicals, making it perfect for sensitive skin. Hack number 2, DIY lip scrub. Chapped lips can be a thing of the past with this easy DIY lip scrub. You'll need sugar, honey, and a little bit of coconut oil. Combine 1 tablespoon of sugar with 1 teaspoon of honey and 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix well until you have a gritty paste. Apply a small amount to your lips and gently scrub in circular motions. This will exfoliate the dead skin cells, leaving your lips smooth and soft. Rinse off with warm water and follow up with your favorite lip balm. This scrub not only exfoliates but also hydrates your lips thanks to the honey. Use it once or twice a week for best results, and say goodbye to dry, flaky lips. Hack number 3, green tea eye patches. If you're dealing with puffy eyes or dark circles, green tea can be a lifesaver. Green tea is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce puffiness and brighten the under-eye area. Steep the green tea bags in hot water for a few minutes. Remove the tea bags and let them cool to room temperature. Place the tea bags in the refrigerator for about 20 minutes. Lie down and place the chilled tea bags over your closed eyes. Leave them on for 15-20 minutes. Enjoy the soothing effect and let the green tea work its magic. The caffeine and antioxidants in the green tea will help to reduce swelling and rejuvenate tired eyes. This simple hack will leave you looking more awake and refreshed. Hack number 4, avocado face mask. Avocados are not just for eating, they're also amazing for your skin. Rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants, avocados can deeply nourish and moisturize your skin. To make an avocado face mask, mash half a ripe avocado until it's smooth. Add a tablespoon of honey and a tablespoon of plain yogurt and mix well. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry. Your face will feel soft, hydrated, and rejuvenated. The combination of these ingredients works wonders. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it helps your skin retain moisture, and it has antibacterial properties that can help with acne. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates your skin, leaving it smooth and glowing. Together with avocado, these ingredients create a powerful mask that addresses multiple skin concerns in one go. You can customize this mask by adding other natural ingredients. For example, a few drops of lemon juice can help brighten your skin and fade dark spots, while a teaspoon of olive oil can provide extra hydration for very dry skin. For those with sensitive skin, adding a teaspoon of oatmeal can help soothe irritation and redness. Using this avocado face mask regularly, about once or twice a week, can improve your skin's texture and overall health. It's a luxurious treat that can turn your regular skincare routine into a spa-like experience. Plus, it's all natural, so you know exactly what you're putting on your skin. Hack number 5, coffee ground body scrub. Coffee grounds make an excellent exfoliant and can help reduce the appearance of cellulite. This DIY coffee ground body scrub will leave your skin feeling smooth and invigorated. Mix half a cup of used coffee grounds with half a cup of coconut oil. Add a tablespoon of sugar for extra exfoliation. In the shower, apply the scrub to your skin in circular motions, focusing on areas with cellulite. Rinse off with warm water and enjoy your refreshed, smooth skin. Also, you can customize this scrub with other ingredients to enhance its benefits. Adding a few drops of essential oils like peppermint or lavender can create a spa-like experience with their soothing and invigorating scents. A teaspoon of cinnamon can boost circulation, adding to the cellulite-fighting effects. For best results, use this coffee ground body scrub 2 to 3 times a week. Regular exfoliation not only improves the texture of your skin, but also helps with the absorption of moisturizers and other skincare products, making your routine more effective. After using the scrub, remember to moisturize your skin to lock in hydration. You'll be amazed at how soft and revitalized your skin feels. This DIY body scrub is a luxurious yet simple way to pamper yourself and keep your skin looking its best. While these 5 DIY beauty hacks are incredibly effective, here are a few bonus tips to enhance your results and maintain your beauty regimen. 1. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for healthy, glowing skin. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day to keep your skin hydrated from the inside out. 2. Eat a balanced diet. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins into your diet. Foods rich in vitamins and antioxidants, such as berries, leafy greens, and nuts, can improve your skin's health and appearance. 3. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep each night. Quality sleep allows your skin to repair and regenerate, reducing the appearance of dark circles and puffiness. 4. Protect your skin from the sun. Always wear sunscreen with at least SPF 30, even on cloudy days. Sun protection is essential for preventing premature aging and skin damage. 5. Practice regular skincare. Develop a consistent skincare routine that includes cleansing, toning, moisturizing, and applying serums or treatments suited to your skin type. And there you have it, 5 quick and easy DIY beauty hacks that can transform your beauty routine. These simple yet effective tips can help you achieve glowing skin, soft lips, and a refreshed appearance without breaking the bank. Remember, beauty doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. With a little creativity and the right ingredients, you can achieve stunning results right at home. Thank you for tuning into EiwayShop. We hope you enjoyed these beauty hacks and found them helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tutorials. Share your favorite DIY beauty hacks in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.